So I'm now gonna hold it upright, vertical. Yep. So I'm now gonna push the transmission dipstick in for a fresh read. It's all the way down. Again, this is clean napkin, but look at that. That's all gritty. That is not good. So that's signs of a worn transmission and requires a transmission fluid replace. Can you shine that over here a bit more? Can you shine it over here a bit more? There, I got it. Now I'll do oil. Oil's at the right level and it is the right color. Should be light just like that. That's without any additives. Just regular SAE oil. Okay, that's it. That's all I got.